You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're answering some of the most common questions about the Maneja de Casa for Americans moving to Mexico. First, what is a Maneja de Casa? It's a notarized inventory of your household goods and personal effects that supports duty-free importation into Mexico upon relocating your residence. Who qualifies for it? Generally, people moving to Mexico with a valid temporary or permanent residency status may qualify. Tourist status does not qualify. This is an important issue for people who think they can arrive first and sort it out later. What should be included? Used household goods, personal effects, things like furniture, clothing, books, cookware, electronics you personally use, and typical items that belong in a home. What should not be included? Items that do not qualify for the exemption are commercial goods, vague or poorly described entries, and anything that could raise questions with customs. The inventory needs to be specific and credible. When should it be prepared? Early. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting too long. If your residency is not in place or your inventory is rushed, your shipment could be delayed or subject to duties. What's the biggest risk? An incomplete or incorrect Maneja de Casa can cause custom issues and unexpected charges when your shipment arrives in Mexico. The good news is, with proper planning, this process becomes much more manageable. If you are preparing for a move to Mexico and want guidance from an experienced international moving company, visit our website or call 877-339-0267 today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.